What's the meaning of crown prince? Crown prince. Crown prince.
Crown prince. Crown prince. A crown prince is a male heir apparent to a throne or monarchy. The term is typically used in countries that are monarchies and have a system of hereditary succession. The crown prince is next in line to become the ruler or monarch after the current reigning monarch passes away or abdicates. The role of the crown prince is to prepare for his future role as ruler and participate in important ceremonies and events on behalf of the monarch. The title may also be used more broadly to refer to the first in line for any leadership position.